It's time. Happy Christmas to all of you. So friends, as you know that Christmas is coming, so today I am making Christmas star. So it is very beautiful and you can hang it in your Christmas tree. So in order to make this Christmas star, we need paper squares. Here I'm using colored papers and you can take any size. If you want a bigger star, you can take bigger squares. If you want a teeny tiny star, you can take a little smaller squares. First of all, we need to fold this square in triangular shape. You can see how I'm folding this paper. So here I'm using this brown color because I like this color, and here you can use any kind of color what you want. Now I'm applying glue on the center part of this paper so that we can got desired shape, because we need somewhat triangle kind of shape. You need to make at least 5 shapes so that you got a star shape. And otherwise you can, if you want a bigger star, you can add 7 to 8 of these shapes together, then you got the bigger star. And here I am applying a glue so that I got the desired shape of star like how I wanted. If you are making smaller stars, then you can make string of stars like in a row, in a line, with the help of some kind of wire or rope. It's a beautiful occasion, so we need to decorate our houses, Christmas tree with these type of crafts. So it's very beautiful if you are making handmade crafts by your own, because when we are making handmade crafts, we are giving our imagination a boost. And you can also tell your children to make their version of different kind of stars, because these type of activities help our personalities in a brighter way. Now the shape of our star is ready. So to decorate this star, I am using golden paper, and here I have cut different shapes of triangles, and I'm applying it with the help of glue so that our star will shine brighter and brighter, just like your personality. By applying these triangles on our star, our craft is getting completed. Now we need this paper, golden paper, and I am cutting this paper because I want to make a flower kind of shape out of this golden paper. That's why I'm rolling this, and at last I'm preparing a tassel kind of structure which I will hang on this star. Now at the center I'm applying a little star which is made it from golden paper. Now I'm sticking this thin rope with this flower which I have made it from golden paper. With the help of glue gun, I'm sticking these the two things together. So that I will make a hanging tassel like structure, which I am sticking in the star with the help of glue gun. So you can also do like how I am doing. You can see each step is very easy to make. Star will be useful in the Christmas decorations. Now you can see our craft is getting completed. It is very easy to make little DIY decor which is useful for the decoration in the Christmas tree. You can also make these DIY decor with your own hands, just like how I am making. Each and every step is very easy. Now at last we need to add rope on above this star so that it will be helpful for the hanging purpose. So that's why I'm sticking this rope with the help of glue gun. If you like this craft, you may subscribe to my channel Great DIYs and Painting, because I will be sharing another craft related to Christmas. So don't miss the update. Bye bye friends. Happy crafting. See you again.